Supper Wednesday? Let's get cooking from skillet to plate. Just take a look in.
Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be having Steakhouse Sloppy Joes. Now we've never tried this before, but I seen the recipe. It looked good to me, so we're going to try it out and we'll see if it is good or not. So for today's recipe, now we've doubled this recipe. We'll have the recipe in the description, the link to it. 2 cups of chicken broth, 4 tablespoons of steak sauce, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 pounds of burger, 4 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 cup of onions, 2 teaspoons of Montreal steak seasoning, and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then you can also see there, we're going to have shredded cheese to sprinkle on top. I'm going to place this back in the refrigerator for the time being. Alrighty, now let's get started. What I'll do first, I won't bore you with this here. I'll put the burger in the skillet over here and let it start cooking. Then we'll come back here and make the sauce for it. Be right back. Alrighty, we can hear the burger over there sizzling. Now we'll start off. We've got 2 cups of the chicken broth in the bowl here. Now we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of steak sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, set this to the side here and shake up our mustard here. Come on now, get down here to the top. Alrighty, there's 1. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now we'll mix that up and we're just going to set that to the side for the time being. Let's mix that together. Alrighty. Hopefully y'all can see what it looks like there. Alright. Now, let's go over here and fry this burger up. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna, as far as the mushrooms, we use canned mushrooms that we bought. Carolyn, she diced up some onions for the hot dogs we had yesterday there. So we're just going to be using them. They're already cut up. Just brown your burger up good. I'm going to go over here and drain these mushrooms. I'll be right back, folks. Alright, you can see our burger is about done. Now I left it a little bit chunky, the best I could there. Because I thought this here would be a little bit better with a little bit coarser meat. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to get a bowl and we're going to dip our burger out, and then we're going to add our butter and onions, the mushrooms, and also we're going to add our steak seasoning in there with it. And then the flour, when the vegetables are about cooked to where we want them, we're going to add the flour in there. It'll be making a roux. So when we add in our broth and our burger back, that'll help thicken it up. Alrighty. Let me turn that off for the time being. Let me get us the stuff and we'll dip that out. Alrighty. Go ahead and dip this here out. Put it in a bowl. Now I'm going to leave just a little bit of the grease in there, not a lot. What I'll do, instead of draining that there, let me grab us a paper towel. Take that. And let that soak up a lot of the grease. We're going to leave a little bit in there to add with the butter. Alright, that got most of it out. Let's get just a little bit more. Throw this away over here. Now, let me get our butter. We'll turn the stove back on. Just drop our butter down in there and let it start melting. Okay. We'll need 2 teaspoons. Go ahead and get our onions. Of course, there goes my phone going off. Okay. Now, let me grab our seasoning here. This is the Montreal steak seasoning. 2 teaspoons of this. Alrighty. Now, set this up here out of the way. So, how's everybody been doing? It's been just a little bit since I've had a What's for Supper Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing well. If y'all ain't already watched it, check out Monday's video that we did. It was a collaboration. There goes the camera going off in there now. It was a collaboration with Debbie's Kitchen. The first day of fall collab is open collaboration. And we made little apple pies. And for the crust, it was oatmeal pies. Little Debbie's. Real simple, real easy, really good. Check that out if you ain't already. Alright, I ain't going to bore you. We're going to cook these about 7 minutes. And I'll be right back. Alrighty. We've cooked those there approximately 7 minutes. Now we're going to add in here 4 tablespoons of flour. And then we'll mix that up real good. Stir it in. Alright, let me put this stuff back over here to the side. Almost like you're making gravy. And we'll cook that there for a couple minutes. Alrighty, we've cooked that there for about 2 minutes. Put your beef back in there. And grab our broth. Stir this in around just a little bit here. Get it mixed together. Alrighty, now we're going to pour in our broth, the sauce we made, and we're going to cook this for 3 minutes or so there till it starts thickening up a little bit. Smells good. Alrighty, I'll finish cooking this here, and then what I'll do, I'll turn y'all back on. Alrighty, there it is, played up. We just add some chips to the side. This is going to be a quick, simple, easy supper. There's what it looks like there. Put the burger top on. Now what I'm going to do, I'll put some in a bowl for them to give a taste test with there, and that way they ain't got to try to take a bite out of the burger there right now. Let's give it a try. I just put some down in the bowl here for you to try there instead of taking a bite out of the...
Okay. Mom, get you some first.
Now careful. It just come out of a skillet. Good Lord, Carolyn just throwed some on the floor.
That's delicious.
I got me a fork here too, folks. I'm going to give it a try.
Definitely a keeper.
That is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I think it could use a little bit of salt.
Tastes good to me.
Mm-hmm.
This would be good, I believe, added to some of those noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Rice.
Pretty good, folks. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homans, Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.